Nano-Metre Industrial Limited was established in 2008, which has headquarters in Shanghai, 3 associated factories located in Jiangxi, Jiangsu, and Shandong province. Today, Nano-Metre has become one of the leading suppliers in safety field, which focusing on developing and supplying the safety gloves. Our cooperation factories have over 200 experienced employees, 16 modern product lines in the factories. Besides, our cooperation factories also have 3 production lines for safety shoes. Mouth capacity 100,000 pairs. We are one of the top safety glove suppliers in China. We've been in this business for more than 12 years, and our professional and high-efficiency team is ready to serve our customers. Our products have been exporting to all around the world. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We have cooperated with CTC, Satra, Intertech, SGS Labs for many years. Most products have been achieved CE certificate with new 2016 EN standard. Meanwhile, our company achieved the ISO 9001 certification in year 2019. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have built up a good reputation among our customers due to our high-quality products, quick delivery, competitive prices, and perfect service. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.